My mother's eyes are bloodshot, baggy, windows to a weary heart of darkness. She shovels to her suitcase and drags it to the door, hair f***ed, skin pasty. It's 3 AM, and all she needs to be is in Spain so she can black out by the pool. I watch her pull out her phone, open Uber, and spend £60 like it's nothing for a 7-mile trip. As she shuffles into the dark, I ask myself, do I blame her? Of course not, there's no other way. Bullshit. Did you know that 30% of your entire vacation budget is spent here, traveling 8 miles before you travel 2,000? Doesn't that make you angry? As a man who's dedicated his life to single-digit flights, it makes my blood boil. Is he on a vacation? Is she on a vacation? Are they on a vacation? No? Well, they spent 30% of their entire vacation budget doing it. But Earth Unlocked, you have to spend money on a taxi to your flight. There is no other way. I've never given a single penny to Uber or any other rideshare app or taxi company and never will by using the 3 methods you're about to learn. This isn't about pinching pennies, it's proving you do have a choice. Welcome to level 1, where normies go to cry. At this level, you blackmail your friends and family to drop you at the airport, gloriously free but with one big flaw, those f***ing drop-off fees. To get around this, have them park in the sprawling rent-a-car parking lot every major airport has, then walk or take the free shuttle from there. If they make you pay for even that, find a public footpath or your country's equivalent and walk from a nearby field. I'm not joking, airports are in the end of nowhere, use that to your advantage for once. If you have no friends or family to blackmail, then a standard train or bus across the city, not those stupid overpriced express trains, will save you almost triple digits every single time. Remember, this is money you can put towards anything you want when you're actually on vacation. A better suite, a set of gifts, a f***ing jet ski. You are not suffering for nothing, you are saving so much money where it matters most. But what do you do when the flight is so early the train isn't even running? What do you do when you have to wake up before you go to bed? This is where every normie on Earth throws in the towel, but you're no normie. If your city doesn't have 24-hour transport, go to one that does, by setting off the day before on a sleeper coach. I'm serious. The larger the city, the more people will be on flights to and from it, so the price of the flight will go down, thus increasing your budget for sleeper coaches there. I'll use the UK as an example since I live there. The 3 big coach companies are Megabus, National Express, and Flixbus. Flixbus is like sleeping on a cloud with the best amenities, free seat reservations, free Wi-Fi, and overall great prices. Always travel with them if you can, and it will become the highlight of your holiday. If they don't go where you need to, or at the right time, National Express is slightly more expensive and slightly less comfortable, but still serviceable, with the most extensive and frequent network by far. Megabus is a overpriced dump, but you can sometimes get tickets with them for an absolute steal, sometimes free if you use my double club card trick, explained in the Discord server. The average cost of going between big cities with these guys is £5 to £10, and some actually drop you at the airport door the next morning. If they don't, do the final leg on local buses or trains. Does this sound crazy? Yes. Will it give you an absolute adventure of a lifetime and save you a ton of money in the process? Hell yes. But if there really is no other way, if your suitcase really is that big, if your children really are killjoy little bastards, just throw the towel in. Take the rideshare, because you still have one last trick up your sleeve. Make the airport your bitch. Instead of pissing away another £30 so you can eat a microwave panini, you can mystery shop your way to free meals, free and even profit while you wait for your flight, with one specific company paying £15 per shot. It's such a game changer. I made £30 by going on this vacation, and £15 for this one. This is just one of the many ways I travel the world for nothing from my depressed little corner of hell. So if you're interested in knowing more, subscribe, and if you're serious about traveling anywhere in the world for almost nothing yourself, my Discord is linked below. The first 100 people to join get a free lifetime membership. Okay, bye.